Good afternoon, friends. Happy Friday again. And so, Mrs. Harris is going to be recording our math lesson for today. I'm going to share my screen with you. And I'm going to show you what our work is going to be today. And so we're going to be working on comparing using more than or the same as. And we've kind of already done the same as before, which was kind of like equal to. So remember when we had like our balance scale and we had like a train is equal to 9 pennies. It weighs the same as. So we're going to kind of be working on that again today in our lesson 18. So let's see. I'm going to make this bigger for you. And let's see what we are learning.
And I brought them the coolest gift. Are you ready? I bought all of my little cousins a piggy bank, and I brought some super shiny gold coins.
Oh.
I just hope that I have enough because I didn't really count. I just threw them all in the bag. So I hope that you can help me out because our learning goal for today says I can compare using more than or the same
as.
So I wonder if I'm going to have more or the same as coins and piggy banks. Oh, I hope so. Okay, so let me get the piggy banks out. There they are. Oh, they're so cute.
Mhm.
And let me jingle those coins out of my wallet. Oh, there they are. Perfect. Now, when I compare something, I want to see how they're the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pass out all of the coins and see if I have the same amount. Here we go.
Okay, so when we're comparing, we're seeing if we have the same. So I'm going to count, and I want you to count with me, and let's count how many piggy banks we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have 6 piggy banks. Now I'm going to count and see how many coins that that we have that she dumped out of her purse. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 6 piggy banks and 5 coins. So I do not have the same, do I? I do not have the same amount of coins as I do piggy banks.
Here we go. You get one.
Here we go. Let's see if we were right.
2 coins of
Get
2
one.
banks.
You get
3 coins of
one.
3 banks.
You get 1.
4 banks.
You get 1. Oh, see?
Oh no! Do I have the same as a
No.
number of pigs that I do coins? No. Hello, this little piggy bank down here is all by himself. That means I have more piggies than I have coins.
And so I want
Oh, goodness.
everybody
I
to say
really
that. I have more piggy banks than I do coins. So that was more than, not the same as, because we didn't have the same amount. That was more than.
be careful when I'm putting things in my bag that I count them out. Hey, but you did a nice job comparing. Let's try another one.
Oh.
All right, here I have a whole bunch of shirts and ties. Now, the thing about comparing is that you can't, when you have like a piece of paper where you're comparing, you can't get them up and get them moving like I did the coins. What did I say? What was a good strategy to compare? What could you use?
Good strategy
Yeah,
to
you could draw a
compare.
connecting line with your pencil,
So
right?
she's going to use the strategy, and we're going to do it with her, where we're going to draw a connecting line to see if we have the same as or if we have more than. So I'm going to do that, and you can help me. You can use your finger to draw on the screen as I draw. So let's see. Let me see the easiest way to do this. Okay, So I have this tie here, and I'm gonna put it with this shirt here. I feel like my drawing needs to be a little bit darker. Wonder if this one will do it. That one goes there. Oh wait, nope. I gotta erase that. I messed up already, didn't I? And that's okay. Everybody makes mistakes, but I caught it. Let's see, maybe, hang on. I'm trying to find a good way to be able to, you guys to see what I'm doing. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so this tie is gonna go here. There we go. I'm gonna have this one come down around over here. I'm gonna have this one go here. And I'm gonna have this one go here. And I'm gonna have this one go here. And then this one goes here. Oh my goodness, can you look at that? So we have the same amount of ties as we do shirts. There is the same amount. Let's count now just to make sure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shirts. Okay, now let's count our ties. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do this. 4, match up the numbers too. 5, 6. Look at that. So we have the same number of shirts as we do ties. So unlike the piggy banks, where we did not have the same, right? We had more piggy banks than we did coins. But with the shirts and ties here, we have the same amount. That means every one of these shirts is going to get a tie. It's the same amount, okay? So now I want to show you your problem set for today, because now you're gonna do some work with the same as or more than. I'm gonna stop sharing with you for just 1 second while I pull up your problem set here that you're going to be working on. And this is the work that you will be turning in to Mrs. Harris to show what you have been learning in math. While you wait for me to pull this up here, why don't you guys practice counting backwards? Let's start at 10 and count backwards. Let's go all the way down to 0. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good job, guys. And it was just in time for Mrs. Harris to find our problem set. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you again so you can see what I am seeing. And so you're going to have some directions up here. You can click here and it's going to tell you what you need to do for this problem set.
Draw a straight line to see if there are enough hats for the scarves.
Okay, so just like we did with the shirts and the ties, now you're going to draw a line to see if there is enough scarves and hats. So you're going to see if it's the same as or more than.
Are there more hats or are there more scarves?
Okay.
Circle the picture that shows which there are more of, hats or scarves.
Okay, so when you're up here and you're connecting the same as, so you're putting your scarves with your hats, I want you to tell me, so this one is more of, there's going to be more of scarves or there's going to be more hats. So after you draw your lines, you'll see which one has more. And then you're going to come down here and circle for Mrs. Harris, which one has more. So on this one, you're going to draw more leaves than ants. So there's some ants here, and I want you to draw some leaves for me, but I want you to draw more leaves than ants. I'm going to record that for you. Please draw more leaves than ants. Okay, got that all done for you. Okay, and those are your problem sets for today. And Mrs. Harris will have our math video with that problem set just like I normally do. And I can't wait to see what work you guys have done with the same as and more of. Thank you.